Ever dreamt of rocketing through the cosmos, gazing back at our blue marble from the inky black? You're not alone. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars with wonder and a burning desire to explore. We've sent probes, built space stations, and even landed on the moon. But as we set our sights on Mars and beyond, a fundamental question arises: how many people can actually fit on one of these incredible machines? It's not as simple as just adding more seats. The reality of space travel is far more complex than a sci-fi movie. It's a delicate dance of physics, engineering, and human endurance. Think about it. Every single gram counts when you're trying to escape Earth's gravity. More people mean more weight, and more weight means more fuel, bigger engines, and ultimately, higher costs. It's an exponential climb. Beyond the sheer mass, there's the critical issue of life support. We're talking about oxygen, water, and food, essentials that need to be meticulously calculated and provided for each individual over extended periods. Imagine the sheer volume of supplies needed for a journey to Mars lasting many months, perhaps even years. Every breath taken, every drop of water consumed, has to be accounted for. And what about waste? It all needs to be managed and recycled within the confines of a hermetically sealed environment. Then there's the psychological aspect. Cramming a large group of people into a confined space for an extended mission can lead to significant challenges. Privacy becomes a luxury, personal space is non-existent, and even the smallest personality clashes can escalate into major problems when there's no escape. Astronauts are rigorously selected not just for their technical prowess, but also for their psychological resilience and ability to work effectively in tight-knit teams under immense pressure. So, how many people are allowed on a spaceship? The answer is, it depends entirely on the mission. For short-duration flights to the International Space Station, like those undertaken by SpaceX's Crew Dragon or Boeing Starliner, we typically see crews of 4 to 7 astronauts. These vehicles are designed for ferrying personnel and supplies to a pre-existing orbital outpost. However, for hypothetical long-duration missions to Mars or beyond, the numbers dwindle significantly. Current concepts for Martian missions often envision crews of 4 to 6 individuals. This is a sweet spot, balancing the need for diverse skills and redundancy with the immense logistical and psychological challenges of extended deep space travel. More people would simply make the mission too heavy, too expensive, and too risky. The allowance isn't about arbitrary limits, but rather the hard realities of deep space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.